Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your Erickson Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in Erickson Workday. And then click on enter. Now find this link, which is of myworkdayjobs.com, and click on it. After that, you will be redirected to another page which is of Erickson Senior Living Careers. Now at the top right corner you will find sign in option. Click on it. After that, type in your email address and password and click on sign in button to log into your Erickson Workday account. Click on this link if you want to create new Erickson Workday account, or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to get your new password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.